때문에 매주 띠리 반달이 아초상 어비자 너로 버럭이 시작하는 동무 랑 지바샤이 가이사 시작하는 반달이 바게 ang harapun ke buta kapi jefru tukasa tel vikra sini ti prasarok ni siri bukhari bukha shopote korma
पालखी जापा करो दी पालखी जापा करो रेडी
Not much is to be said because the speakers before me, both Dr. Otur and Mr. N.C. Jimatia, has said a lot and they are an authority on Kokoro. But I have been to a little seminar in Arunachal Pradesh regarding oral traditions, say 1 year back. And the people of Arunachal were still trying to find the history from the oral traditions. And oral traditions have been a very important part of world literature. Oral traditions is a very, very important part of world literature and world history. And so it is very important for us to record that oral tradition in writing and to have a script for Kokoro, so that we may get these oral traditions documented in our own language. And as Mr. N.C. Devan was saying, the literature of Kokoro in writing started somewhere in the 19th century. And today it is continuing, it is flourishing, and I hope it will flourish further. There are so many nice songs being written, so many nice poems being written. There's beautiful essays being written, and we should encourage that. Because the language is not only a means of communication, it is a great unifier. Language, besides being a medium of communication, is also a great unifier. Because we cannot see language only as a medium of communication. If that was so, we could learn some other language and spoke in it. Why is every language important? Because it creates unity, a sense of belonging, it gives a sense of pride, and also a sense of history to the society. That is why a language is important. And it is very encouraging to see our young boys and girls taking so much interest in Kokoro, studying the language right up to post-graduation and further, trying to record. I went to Tripura University a few months back, just before Corona, and I think Sunil Koloi had documented one of the folk stories. He had made a short film on it. So that is the way to preserve. By just putting in a museum, you cannot preserve like this. Culture and language are living entities. They are not meant for museum. Culture is never meant for museum. Language is never meant for museum. It is meant for the people. It is meant for our land. It is meant for our progress. They are dynamic institutions, language and culture. And we are moving in the right direction. Kokoro is an official language of the state, and rightly so. And now we have to make it more dynamic, make it more progressive, and make it a part of everyone's life. That is important. To make Kokoro a part of everyone's life. That is the most important part of language. So I thank the Tribal Welfare Department and the Tribal Research Institute for organizing this lovely program. As I said earlier, I am not going to give a very long speech because I believe that all of you are waiting for the cultural function. And this has been a very long program with awards, speeches, lighting of the land. So let us carry on and enjoy the cultural program. That is all for now. Thank you.
Since since speaker, right, Kerala most successful Deborma, Riyam, Tripura, Jamatia, Mowatia, Murasi, Rupini, Koloi, Uchoy, Jang Simani, Moita Group Committee, taking Passport Rajo, Bangladesh, Tripura Dofaro, or Tripura Tongo, Deborma Tongo, Uchoy Tongo, or try Team Charlakini, Team Dofaro, Congress Speaker, Bangladesh and Punjab, Chittagong, Hillcrest, Bandarban, Yamikini, Moyman Singh, Tripura Army Pride, Charpasta Tripura Hotome. That means Kerala to Charla, they pass in Assam, Ekla Haji Congress Speaker. Mizoram, that do that county Congress Speaker. Meghalaya, right, pass the head of Congress Speaker. West Bengal County Congress Speaker, Nagaland County Congress Speaker, Omar Kaitin, Prajini, about 23 lakhs Chini Congress Speaker. Side by side, Chini Moose, Chini Balai Kasol, 60-70% Chini Congress. Chini Buru Dofa, right, 20 lakh Buru Dofa. Taking the Dimasa to Kasari Committee, right, 3 lakh almost for a Congress Speaker, Congress election. According to the geographical factor, think is a fell like think of. It was originally same thing. Congress community, Dimasa, Kasaris, Budu, Bangladesh, Tripura were almost related. For example, in Bengali behavior or tune play dialect, little different in dialect. Even in Tripura also, Kamalpur, Deborma, Khoi Deborma, Southern Deborma, very different dialect. Bengali Tony, Noakhan dialect. Nini Kumila dialect, oh my God, dialect, but they become Bengali. Since I know my the dialect has done, the community is over. The time is in it, right? This flag has been brought to the Congress Speaker. Since I know the development, there is a final to write the ocean. Since the Dal Sorkar, Digital Sorkar, so always so, the topmost priority will be given for overall development of indigenous people of Tripura. The culture, the language, the root revive to test a thousand people. You know, Simon. Ex-American Conqueror, outlaw of the Conqueror Sarja, and Bastard of Nalatia. The true fact. Timber, ex-American, those brothers of Aga, I'm going to write about Simon. To Telemana to Conqueror Sarja, outlaw of the Conqueror Sarja, Latio, and the Conqueror Sarja Latio, and Rigana Canada Latio, the issue colleges, among the world, Campo Paraga, to Bengajago, to Latio, oh my God, Samoy, no country. This is the Nigago. Tangi, Timbaraton, Tinder, kok korabno tin kamon tumurutun important dia boli bagu tin masna tin 43 years unhanatun tin kok korabsun ham kai develop dia tama young generation intellectual both communities both tribal and non-tribal should come up